Welcome to our channel Tech Curry. In today's video we will learn how to apply Windows 7 style start menu in Windows 10. Let's get started. Microsoft is experimenting with its Windows start menu from past many years. And of course most people have not liked this experiment. Starting from Windows XP to Windows 7, start menu didn't change much. It always remained the same two-column layout. Only color scheme of menu changed to match the theme of respective operating systems, XP, Vista, 7. But starting with Windows 8, almost everything with start menu changed. You can see the current Windows 10 start menu on the screen. Many people who are not very tech savvy and especially elderly, find it messy and too difficult to operate new start menu. If you also find it messy and miss your old Windows 7 start menu, then there is a good news for you. You can get your old Windows 7 styled start menu in Windows 10. We can do it using OpenShell. Now, let's see how. Watch video till end so that you better understand the steps. We will open our web browser and download the OpenShell from GitHub. We will go to the release page and download the setup file. Download it as shown in this video. We will run the setup file, once it's downloaded. When we run the setup file, an installation wizard will open. Watch carefully these steps. You will get option to choose what features you want to install on your computer. In OpenShell package, to only apply Windows 7 style start menu, we only need to install OpenShell menu. We can choose not to install Classic Windows Explorer and Classic Internet Explorer by excluding Classic Explorer and Classic IE from the features list. You can see the process to exclude on your screen. But finally, we will install all features in this tutorial. After selecting features, we will click Next and install and installation will begin. Installation will not take long and will be done quickly. We will close the wizard when installation is completed by clicking Finish button. OpenShell has been installed. We will get option to choose Start Menu Style when we click Start button. Here we get a plenty of settings. You can explore them and customize the Start menu. We can also change the Start menu icon. We can also upload our own icon to replace the existing one. Though I love the existing one, so I am not going to change it. Here we can select Classic with 2 columns and Windows 7 style for our Start menu. We also have option to backup Start menu setting. We will click OK to save the changes. Now, we will experience the Windows 7 style Start menu by clicking Start button. The menu does not resemble with the Windows 7 style menu 100%. You can make it close enough by some tweaking which is available in OpenShell menu settings. We also installed Classic Explorer feature. Let's experience it by opening our Windows Explorer. We can see these extra buttons here, which are not present in Windows 10. These buttons are added by OpenShell Classic Explorer. We can change the settings and get more resemblance with Windows 7 by some tweaking. These buttons are available in every screen of Windows Explorer no matter which drive or folder you open. You can change the settings here. You can access the default Windows 10 Start menu from here. You can quickly access OpenShell menu, Classic Explorer, Classic IE settings from here for further tweaking. You can uninstall OpenShell anytime if you don't like it. Happy tweaking! Thanks for watching.